Handy Wandy. You comfortable? Thank you. Okay, good. Good to go. Good to go.
Misty Ann's closet reboot. She's getting organized. Misty Ann's closet reboot. What a sight for your sore eyes.
Hi there, I'm Misty Ann. Welcome back to my closet for another weekly wardrobe planning session. This time with my friend Jodi Skorupski. Jodi of Style Success is a wonderful stylist here in Houston, and you might look a little familiar too if you've watched some of my other videos, because she did a video with me a year ago after all the big floods hit in Houston and Puerto Rico and Florida, helping people understand how to rebuild their wardrobe after flood, and you did such a wonderful job.
Thank you for the opportunity.
It was great. And Jodi also helped a lot of people in the community during those times, which was really nice. So today our theme is
Energized.
Energized, outfits that make me feel energized, which actually was an idea from my business coach, Dr. Bob. Said, Misty, do a theme on things that make you feel energized.
Yeah.
So you asked me.
I asked you what that means to you. I know what it means to me, but it's important to know what it means to you.
So, and you know, that's a good point. I think it's things, we don't think about those things. So think about what it means to you too. So for me, I think it means something that is, makes me feel athletic and makes me feel kind of fit and ready to go, but it can't be, so it's probably going to be a little slimmer fitting, remind me to kind of hold myself up and hold myself in.
Stand up straight.
Exactly, stand up straight. But it can't be so confining that I can't like move around to different client offices. A lot of times I'm back and forth between meetings and things.
Yeah.
Does that give you a little something to go on?
It does.
And
It
we'll
certainly does.
embellish as we go?
Yes.
All right, you ready to go then?
I'm so ready.
Well, let's go.
Do it.
Misty Ann's closet reboot. She's getting organized. Misty Ann's closet reboot. What a sight for your sore eyes.
Oh my gosh, Jodi came up with awesome stuff. I'm so excited. So, so she's going to tell you a little bit about the energy as we're looking here. I just have to say one thing real quick before we get started, which is I did handicap her a little bit on a couple of different ways. So for one thing, we were working with, we didn't want to repeat stuff that we had just done.
Yeah. I would have liked to have been the first week.
Yeah. And then, but we know we're going to go shopping. That's going to be a future video. Yeah. The second thing was, I got a couple of things missing from the dry cleaners. So real staples. So that was hard.
Yes.
And the third one is, I just have holes in my wardrobe. So
we all do.
I handcuffed her, but I think she did a fabulous job anyway. So
Thank you.
3 work outfits.
Should we get right into it?
Let's do it.
All right, and they can be worn any day of the week that you feel like it. So we're gonna go into this one first.
Okay.
So I love these pink pants, and they fit you really nicely. And pink is such a important color this season and into the next. And then we're gonna do a black blazer and the pink shirt. And I'm just gonna show you. We put also the pink pearls. So we have this scarf. And
so really this is just a camisole under here, but you're not going to see it.
Nope.
Because we're doing the scarf.
Yes. Yeah. What you're going to do is you're going to take it and fold it on the diagonal, so you have sort of that handkerchief shape. The point is going to go in the back, and then you have the tail ends here
that we tuck in.
You're going to sort of open it up underneath and then tuck this into your pants. So it looks like that's your blouse. And this is gonna bring a lot of energy because the colors look amazing on you. And we're gonna pair it with this. And then we have also the pink jewelry. And I will get close.
Yeah, those
So
are
you
just
can
Kendra Scott
see.
earrings and a little bracelet. And then this is just a little Chloe DeLau.
Yeah, so you can
Wear those together.
put those together, and then the pink. And just very pulled together and all colors that are flattering on you. The pants look amazing. And we're gonna do your favorite black shoes.
Camera Millens.
Wearing a favorite piece always
makes you feel energized.
Makes you feel good and energized.
Oh, and you had me kind of scrunch up the sleeves.
Yes. So the jacket fits big. Actually ended up kind of looking like a boyfriend blazer. So to keep it chic, you're gonna leave it open, not button it, and then we rolled up the sleeves and you're gonna push them up sort of like I have. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the pictures on that one. Okay,
excited.
That's one work day. Then we have the black belt. Okay, the next work day option, we're gonna do navy.
Oh, yeah.
So somebody gave you this absolutely gorgeous scarf.
My buddy Joe brought this back. I forget where from. Anyway.
So that was incredibly sweet. I love wearing pieces that are gifted. And he did a great job. This navy is incredibly flattering on you. You look gorgeous in it. So again, bringing that kind of an energy. And we've actually just put a white t-shirt underneath to make the scarf pop even more. And then sort of playing off of the classic menswear navy trousers with a tan blazer. I've paired it back with this navy.
But again, slim fitting.
The pants are slim fit and an ankle pant, which is lovely because we're showing off these
my little T-strap.
Beautiful T-strap navy suede sandals. And yes, you can wear suede in the summer. And all together, just really lovely. And then we're pairing it again
with these are just some blue pieces from Brighton. Hopefully you can see those and get in the camera right.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do this one as well. And I'm definitely gonna close up on that. Because and that just plays off really beautifully with the metallic in the scarf. Okay, and then next work outfit, we are gonna go.
Oh, back to animal print.
Back to black. You do look good in an animal print. So we are going to do this now.
Oh yeah.
Bring in the energy with your favorite black pants.
My very favorite.
Nothing like feeling great in a pair of pants, because for women that's not an easy task. And this really beautiful black silk, leopard silk top. We've broken it up, the print, with these gold necklaces. And because you tend to be cold at work, I wanted to give you the option of a layering piece. And we're going to talk a little bit about this on your Thursday quick tip.
Yes.
But we were talking about that actually an ivory blazer or a white blazer
holes in my wardrobe
would really take this outfit to another level, and that you could also pair it with white jeans. But before I get to that, these were the earrings.
Oh yeah.
Love sparkly gold. So all together.
Oh, and the shoes.
Oh yes, because the outfit is sort of on the conservative-ish side, and you like a little bit of edge to feel like yourself. We're bringing in these super sexy.
The Stuart Weitzmans. I actually wore those this week, but I love them. I'm good wearing them again. We did say this is kind of a hole in my wardrobe because I have those really high nude pumps that I wore a couple of weeks ago with the sari top, but they're not real comfortable for work. So I need nude pumps for work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you need comfort.
I need comfort.
So talking about white jeans, the reason we didn't pair that outfit with white jeans is because they are already promised to a Saturday baby shower outfit. So wanting to keep it super light and feminine and summery for this one, and you had this lovely top, and to amp up the light and airy, pairing it with the white jeans.
And those are going to have to go in the laundry as to last week's quick tip.
Yes, which is great that you know that now. And then we have options for shoes, but depending on how you feel that day and what the feel is of the shower, I love the idea of these rose gold pumps. And then also we talked about that you can wear the matching earrings to the pretty pop of color on the Kendra Scott, or you can wear
these that I'm wearing right now. So they're not too matchy-matchy.
Yeah.
And they're also Kendra Scott.
And then you have sandals on right now that could also definitely work with this outfit. So big reveal on Saturday's outfit. Which shoes?
Which shoes?
Yes.
Metallic or sandals?
I don't know. Maybe you should vote.
Which shoes?
Yeah. And yeah, and that's kind of our week, because it's kind of a slow week for you, I think. So I guess I got lucky, at least in that regard, right?
Well, you know what? We're definitely going shopping. So we're definitely going to do a shopping video. Yeah. We're definitely going to the tailor.
Yes.
So that's been a great theme. So we've got a lot of stuff to do.
Still more to do.
But I'm very excited about this week at work. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. My
fun.
pleasure.
You guys have a great week. If this was helpful for you, please give us a like, subscribe to my channel.
I'm a subscriber. You should be a subscriber.
Anyway, and come back next week. Have a wonderful week. Bye. All right.
Got my flats on. I'm
Got
ready
your
to
flats
roll.
on, ready to go. Geez, Sandy, you know, don't trouble yourself.
Nope. Don't worry, Sandy.
Okay.
I can. Don't get up. I'll show myself out.
It's all good. Bye, Sandy. Oh, now. Yep. Now that Jodi's gone, dry cleaning was on the front door.